So what's up everybody, it's your girl Nappy Natural and I am back with another video and I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair, and so stay tuned. I blow dry my hair because I'm going to get it done tomorrow. I'm so excited about that. It's been a while. I'll talk to you guys more about where I've been and everything when I finish blow dry my hair to blow dry natural hair for beginners, okay? And this is how I do it. I know everybody does it different, but I'm going to show you guys the way I do it. So first of all, I just washed my hair. Oh, it's clean. But I just washed my hair. I have it in 4 sections. Let's see. I'm gonna, if you hear the TV in the back, I'm watching YouTube, so. But I'm gonna be using the leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna be using is this Flossy Miracle Curls, and I really love this stuff. It like melts in my hair. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the back. I hope you guys can see my hair. So I just take a little bit like this, and then I just put it on my hair like this. And then I take a wide tip comb and I just comb it out. I kind of detangled my hair in the shower, but I'm gonna just show you. I'm just gonna show you here. This is how I detangle my hair. And then after that, you need to, when you're blow drying your hair or flat ironing your hair, you need to put some type of heat protectant on it. So the heat protectant that I use is this one. It's by Pantene. It's the Go series, and I like to use this. I never get heat damage after I use this. So I like to use this to quick lip check. And I just cut it because it was all uneven and it had a lot of split ends. So I did that like last month. Like this. And then I comb it again. And then, yep, I will put this in. I'll spray a little bit more. See, my hair is all healthy now because I cut this fringe. I'm glad I made that choice because I honestly was going to hold on to my dead ends, but I was like, I had to cut them because, you know, this isn't it. I got this from Amazon. It works really good. I love it. Then what I do is I do the same thing. I just what's my comb? Yeah, I hate when I lose my comb. I need like an apron so I can hold on my tools and while I'm doing my hair. So then I do the same thing. Make sure you do your sections. If you're trying to blow dry your hair so that your hair is like really straight, make sure you do thin sections, like if you have thick hair, because if you don't, your hair's not gonna dry like at the roots too. And then like when you're blow drying your hair, start at the roots and then you go down. Because I'm trying to be looking good all 2022. Okay, so yeah. Inspire anything, so I took a break, but now I'm back. So yeah, so I'm gonna not only do hair on my channel, I'm gonna try to do like challenges and day in the life and vlogs and stuff like that, because I know sometimes like doing hair, it gets kind of boring because it's done, but it's kind of hard to record washing your hair. I'm gonna try to do more stuff. Comment down below if you guys want to see me do anything. I haven't been using any of my products. I have been using like mainly the products that I like. I haven't been trying any new products, but I think I'm gonna start trying like some of my new products or buying new products to try, because you know, the Maya organic oil. So I'm gonna just, my hair kind of looks dry for some reason, I don't know why, but probably because it's the winter time. But I usually put some oil inside my scalp, you know. So I do this side, and then this side I'll do off camera because I want to get this done. Also, what's new? Started a TikTok. It's called Natural. I started it, and well, I had it for a while, but I never used it. So you guys can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok, I've been trying to grow my account on TikTok, so I haven't been on Instagram either. I've just been on TikTok. So I don't get any heat damage on my hair. So, you know, I do that, and then what I do is I comb it out. So also, you guys, don't mind my eyebrows. I tried to get them done today, and by the time I got off work, the place was closed. But I'm gonna try to make time because I really, you know, wanna grow and being, you know, a YouTube, not a YouTube, natural hair influencer. And you know, so basically, I'm gonna try my best. I don't know, I'll probably start off by posting once a week, or I might do how I did before when I was posting like 2 days a week. But yeah, so yeah, don't mind my eyebrows. I know I look crazy. I've been going through a lot. But I am back.